we can take a look at our main menu here at the top. It currently lists all of our pages that were imported from our template, but we need to add in our new FAQ page to this navigation menu. And to do this, we're actually going to have to leave the Elementor page builder and open up the WordPress block editor. To get there, start by going to the top left and clicking on the Elementor logo. Click on Exit to WordPress. Then go back to the top left and click on the WordPress logo. Then from here, go to the top and find your website here. Click on Visit Site. Then go to the top and click on the Customize button. And now that's going to open up your WordPress theme settings. Let's start by learning how to update our main menu here. Start by going to the left and find Menus. Click into it here. Click into Main Menu. And then you'll see your pages listed here. Right now we have Home, About, Services, and Contact. And you'll see those same pages listed here in the top right. To add in our FAQ page that we created just a moment ago, click on Add Items. Find the page you want to add, and then click on the plus icon. And if I click back into my website on the right, I'll see that new page has been added here in the top. You can also reorder your pages within your main menu as well. To do that, simply click and hold on the page that you want to move, and you can drag it into a new position. I'll drag it here and drop it, and you'll see that it's now listed after my home page. Once you're happy with your changes, go to the top and click on Publish. And now those changes are going to be saved.